Asteroids on a collision course with Earth may make for an exciting movie or a book.
But is there a real possibility that a rock from outer space could destroy Earth? Local 4 meteorologist Paul Gross shows us why there's some degree of truth to the very scary scenario.
A newly discovered asteroid heads toward Earth. A collision seems certain. Global panic ensues. Scientists race against time to figure out how to prevent disaster. Is this just Hollywood hype at its very best? Or could it be true? And more importantly, what's our ability to avoid a cosmic collision?
If a good-sized asteroid was to hit the Earth, we would all be in deep trouble, no matter where it hit. An asteroid bigger than 1/2 to 1 mile in size would cause what we call a global environmental catastrophe. It will kill a very large fraction of the human race.
So what are asteroids? Well, an accurate description would be giant rocks out in space. And scientists give them names, too. The 4 you see here are called Dactyl, Gaspra, Vesta, and Ida. As you would expect, NASA is doing everything possible to learn more about these cosmic boulders. One satellite, called NEAR, is right now conducting the closest study ever of an asteroid called Eros. But can one of these things really hit Earth?
There is a clear and definite chance. We see the impact on the scars from previous impacts. We know about mass extinction events occurring in the past.
Here's some evidence. Our own moon pockmarked with craters. And this, 1,000 square miles of Siberian forest flattened by a 200-foot asteroid in 1908. And this asteroid impact tens of thousands of years ago in Arizona. Finally, how about Comet Shoemaker-Levy breaking up and smashing directly into Jupiter right before our very eyes? Now, scientists have developed a scale to assess potential impact risk. Categories 0 or 1 are considered unlikely events. Categories 2 through 4 are potential events with low probability but still in need of monitoring. Categories 5 through 7 are considered threatening events with 1% or better potential for regional or global devastation. Categories 8, 9, and 10 represent what are called certain collisions with high probabilities of a direct hit and dire consequences. In the movies, Earth somehow manages to avoid certain destruction. But in real life, can we really save ourselves?
We believe we've got the technology to get out there, give it a nudge using various types of propulsion systems to get it to miss the Earth.
And that's the key, give it a nudge. As long as the asteroid is far enough away from Earth, all it would take is a nudge to steer it to a close call. Well, why can't we simply blow it up? Blowing up an asteroid would be like turning a single bullet into a shotgun blast, with lots of big rocks capable of devastating damage instead of just one. But scientists will have to take some action.
It's something we've got to stop from happening again in the future, and basically the future of the human race depends upon it.
I'm Paul Gross, Local First.
So what's the likelihood of a catastrophic impact here on Earth? A Category 8 impact, which causes localized destruction, occurs every 50 to 1,000 years on Earth. Category 9 impact, which causes regional devastation, hits every 1,000 to 100,000 years. And a Category 10 impact, such as the type that wiped out the dinosaurs, strikes less often than once per 100,000 years.